All right, temperatures here so far over the last few days, first few days of summer in the northern hemisphere anyway. Well, we were cooler this week than what we had last weekend, especially on Saturday, up to 90, which was 10 degrees warmer than average. Now, we are going to have similar temperatures to that Friday, tomorrow, and also on Saturday, and then cooling off a little bit late weekend into early next week as we start to introduce a little bit better chance of those afternoon thunder showers. First 25 days of June in Cheyenne running about 1.5 degrees above average, and precipitation is doing pretty good as well. One of our wetter starts to any June on record with a surplus of 1.82 inches. But when it comes to the year as a whole, a little closer to average, only at 13/100ths of an inch above average in Cheyenne. It's kind of funny how things kind of even out over the course of time. But mostly clear and quiet tonight. A warm and breezy day tomorrow with some elevated fire weather concerns north and west of us. And then this weekend we're still pretty warm with a few more rumbles of thunder. Again, a better chance of that late weekend and early next week. So there's that elevated fire weather threat north and west of Cheyenne into Rollins. Again, even Casper is under a red flag warning for tomorrow. The winds will be stronger. Nothing concerning tonight. Again, mostly clear as we head into that Friday morning time period. Temperatures will be dropping down to around the lower 50s to start off the day, and that's pretty close to where we should be. The record low temperature for this, or at least tomorrow's date, the 27th of June, is 38. It's back in 1875. Very long-standing record for that matter, but 5:28 the sunrise. Sunset tomorrow is at 8:36, and we'll be topping out at 86 tomorrow. A little warmer on Saturday with a few more isolated thunderstorms popping up. I think we have a better chance of a few more storms on Sunday as temperatures fall to 81, and the early part of July kind of equal chances of above or below normal temperatures in the southeastern corner of Wyoming. But we are noting that the early part of July looks to be a little bit wetter during that time period. But through the early part of next week, this will take us out over a 7-day time period. Again, from Wheatland to Cheyenne and Laramie, some quarter to maybe even half-inch rainfall tallies. So again, that rainfall chance is going to be going up a little more as we approach late weekend and early next week. But through 7 p.m. Saturday, not a lot. Again, better chance of any thunderstorms becoming more organized well off to our east. Here's the forecasts. The clouds will develop in the afternoon, but again, more of the thunder threats off to the east, so we should quiet down into Friday evening. But for tonight and early morning hours tomorrow, we're going to be cooler in Medicine Bow at 46, Wheatland at 58. Hourly forecast again tomorrow, warming us up into the mid-80s in Cheyenne. Wheatland at 92, Torrington and Scottsbluff at 95. A few more thunder chances on Saturday afternoon, and the chances of those thunderstorms do increase a little more as we slide into early next week.